Spencer, 0 Facebook followers because he doesn't have a Facebook, but he takes time to answer every single one of his emails.
You know, it's on my list.
That's right.
As soon as I get my emails answered and my phone calls returned, I'll sign up.
Never happened.
May not.
All right, some gorgeous weather for this festival.
Isn't it nice tonight? Yeah, just beautiful. Tonight will not be like last night at all. Tomorrow morning will not be anywhere near as chilly as it was this morning. In fact, it may be 25 degrees warmer when you wake up in the morning than it was this morning. 69 degrees out there here at 10 o'clock. Skies are cloudy. We're only expecting to fall at the most 10 more degrees all night long. In fact, I bet now we don't go below 60 to 62 here in the city all night because of the blanket of clouds that have already covered the sky. By noon, we begin to break out of the clouds up to 69, and then another 10 degrees by 5 o'clock, a high of 79 tomorrow afternoon with more and more sunshine as the day goes on. At this hour, it's pretty nice, upper 50s, low to mid 60s in the hill country, metro area, mid to upper 60s and low to mid 60s out in our eastern counties. In the city, it is overcast and 69. Out at the airport, it is 68 degrees under a cloudy sky. Winds are southeasterly now, 8-9 miles per hour right off the Gulf of Mexico, which explains where those clouds are coming from tonight. Sunrise in the morning, 20 before 8. A lot in the pollen count today, mold medium, and about every spring tree you can have has pollen out there floating around right now. Oak, hackberry, cottonwood, they're low. Also low, mulberry, elm, sycamore, and other trees included several, including birch and willow and ash. So if you're allergic to any of those, it's time to start your spring allergy medicine, most likely, because tomorrow we expect the trees to be high and the mold count medium in your allergy forecast. Around the state, 50s, 60s, even some low 70s still at this hour. It's a mild night. Little disturbance moving across northwest Texas, drawing in the low-level flow. You see the gray shades there. That's the cloud cover that has enveloped our sky tonight and will remain in place all night long. Weather patterns changing, though. The jet stream shifting way up across the northern U.S. and going to remain generally in this configuration for the foreseeable future. And when that happens, storm systems, remember they ride along the jet stream, they'll stay well north of Texas for not just the next week, I mean beyond the end of South by Southwest. We're thinking about 8 to 14 days that we'll see this general weather pattern, which will keep Texas during most of that time warmer and drier than normal. Now what we will see, like tonight and in the morning, as the low clouds come in here overnight, you may wake up in the morning to a cloudy, drizzly, kind of foggy day, but then the clouds will thin out as we go through the day and we'll see sunshine and it'll turn out to be a nice day. And then the same thing will happen again Thursday morning. Some clouds, some fog, some drizzle in the morning, then it'll turn out to be a nice day. In fact, that pattern is likely to repeat right on into the weekend. The morning fog, the patchy drizzle, the low clouds, with skies becoming partly sunny in the afternoon and unseasonably warm weather continuing right on through the end of the festival. In fact, right on through the end of the fair and rodeo, the way it looks now, which extends beyond the end of South by Southwest into next weekend. Temperatures 50s to near 60. In fact, as I mentioned in Austin, not much below 60. These are the forecast lows in the morning. This morning, we had some places, some of the coldest low-lying areas, as cold as 32. So a big change in the morning. And then tomorrow afternoon, we're up near 80 degrees. All right, tonight, low clouds already in the sky. Overnight low stops at 59 at the coolest. We start the day looking a little like that with some clouds, some fog, some drizzle, and the sun begins to break through in the afternoon and a high near 80 degrees. St. Patrick's Day on Thursday looks to be really nice, a high of about 82, and temperatures remain 80 or above right on through the weekend and into early next week with, again, that repeating pattern every day, but temperatures way above average both in the morning and in the afternoon. And the latest on the weather in the morning on Austin News Today beginning at 5.